Hello everybody, and welcome to April Fool's Day, but it's actually the day after April Fool's. Oops, let me adjust my mic. There we go. This is part 2 of a two-part series. If you haven't seen my first video, I go over, Pokemon in Google Maps, and that's pretty interesting. But, yeah, I will be playing Cat Mario today. If you don't know it, it's pretty much a big old trolling game. And that's why I'm playing it for April Fools. So let's just get started. I've actually beaten this whole game before, during one period of language arts. That's what I say. Okay, so let's go. Oh, what? Oh, okay, the controls are, oh yeah, there we go. Hey. That's stupid. Ooh, gosh, ooh. But, I actually know all the things in this game. Ooh, run, run, run. Well, like, I've played this game so many times. I've probably beaten the first level without losing a single life. Let's try this. Okay. Jump. Oh gosh, only had to go straight up. Okay. There's actually a little glitch right there. If the thing lands on top of you, you can get pushed down into the block. It's pretty cool. Leap. Wait. Okay. Jump over it. Okay, now run back. Get on the pole. And we're there. Look at that. The first level beaten in under a minute. Swag. I'm too cool for this game, you know that? It's not, I don't even deserve to play this for April Fools. I'm too good. Okay, this level's hard. And to jump over there, come back. There we go. What did I made it? There we go. Nice. No lives lost. Oh, this level is very interesting. I like what they did with the music, though. It's very nice. Respectable. Now, this part always gets me. This guy, like, jumps out like a kamikaze idiot. I think you have to just jump. Oh my god! Oh, I survived. What do you know? Okay, this time I'm gonna die. Oh, nope, made it. Okay, I have to be very careful on this part. You have to hit that block at just the right time. Oh, no, not the star. Crap. I meant to hit the... Crappers. Oh my god. Oh boy. Crappers. Aww. So that's the first death. Got 2 lives left. And you have to hit that just at the right time so you can have a platform to jump off. It can't be crap. Nope. Oh wait, never mind. It missed the last one, so I should be able to jump up. There we go. What do you know? And miss that, because if you do, the fireballs will go crazy and you'll die. Okay, this part's hard. Pretty sure they go down like super fast. There we go, I made it. I'm still surprised I only lost 1 life on that whole level. That takes some skill. It does. Some major skill. What do you know? On the 3rd level. Only 5 minutes. So we got 5 minutes left. Maybe we even beat the game. Now you can get that, but I don't think it's necessary. I think there's a ways to do it without hitting it, but whatever. I don't remember which one it is. There we go. Oh, no, you have to go for that. See, you just can't remember everything in this whole game. It's too much to remember. too much to remember from this evil game. Jump to there. Oh, nope. I was wrong. Just have to jump all the way down there. Jump. Jump. Made it. Okay, jump really far. There we go. I'm just going to not get that because I think it's going to kill me. There we go. And I'm pretty sure if you go there, yep. That's why I got the check flag first. Oh, and I'm into the negatives. Can you feel the troll? Oh, I hate these guys. They pick you up and throw you into the void. Gosh. Okay. Oh, I hate this part. I think. Oh, I forgot all about those dummies. Oh. Like I said, you just can't remember it all. It's too much to remember. There we go. Come over here. Wait for this sucker. And he's gonna fall off. Come on, you want me? You wanna touch this cat? Nope. Sorry. Oh, still jumped. That could have been a real troll. Don't get on that. Oh, crap. I got to. Look at this. You get shot out of the level. It's hilarious. Oh my gosh. Okay. I have to jump on top of this. Jump up here. Wait for it to fall down. Hit there. Let's see. What do you have to do here? You have to... Oh, I did it wrong. You weren't supposed to jump on top of that guy yet. Okay, so you're right here, you jump up here, you jump up here, you jump off. Hit this. Ooh, hopefully I do it in the right direction. Nope, did it in the wrong direction. Oh, well, you know, I killed 2 in 1 shell. That's nice. Come on, gotta beat this 3rd level. Are you serious? So the turtle shell kills me and the thing, but the yellow lines only kill. Are you serious? That's when I die. Oh, it's not looking too good, John. You wrote it in -15. That's better. Okay, wait for him to go. Jump. Jump. And we're good. Because the turtle shell killed the thing that would have picked me up and thrown me off the level. Okay, let's go to this. I'll be finished. I actually beat this level, like, knowing that you had to do the... Oh my... Forgot. Okay, run, jump. Run, jump, jump, run, on, off. Maybe, maybe not. Whew. Saved by the bell. Okay, gonna whack that. Oh! Only 1 minute left. I doubt I'm gonna beat this level. I beat the first level in under a minute, so, but still. This is no first level. On! Come on! There we go. Run! Okay. Oh, Curry! Okay, only 30 seconds left. You gotta do this one quick. Come on, move. Okay, guys. Well, it looks like this wraps it up. Only got 7 seconds left. So, like I said, leave a like and subscribe. I died. Subscribe, leave a like. Goodbye.